Its sleek styling and incredible detailing, combined with advanced hybrid technology, is designed to make driving more enjoyable. And with its stylish interior, you will feel the difference as soon as you get behind the wheel. Thanks to its robust engineering, the Corolla makes every journey even more rewarding. The Corolla seamlessly switches between petrol and electric power to optimize driving performance. All you will notice is effortless refinement and surprising torque. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Corolla such a winner. The Toyota Corolla Hybrid has a striking and distinctively sleek exterior, made even more eye-catching with its new grille and all-LED dual-beam headlights. The Follow Me Home feature lights up your path even after you've reached your destination. This ensures safety and convenience. The Corolla's low bonnet lines improve aerodynamics and increase the driver's field of vision. The alloy wheels ensure budget-friendly maintenance and economical driving. Rear LED lights ensure that you remain visible to incoming traffic. Pack more, explore more. The Toyota Corolla Hybrid offers an impressive luggage capacity of 470 liters, ensuring you have ample space for all your adventures. The Corolla features smart entry and push to start. The interior is just as stylish as the outside. Quality materials and leather finish are present throughout the cabin. This model is packed with technology, and its clever design will keep the occupants safe, comfortable, and connected. The front seats are sporty and ensure that the driver and passenger are kept cozy even on the longest journeys. Sit back, relax, and let the Toyota Corolla Hybrid's cruise control take you on a smooth and effortless drive. All the technology today's driver expects is present in the Corolla Hybrid. Precise driving information is easily readable from the multi-information display. The display is customizable and also provides details on the hybrid system. The car and the driver remain connected, and the infotainment has full smartphone integration, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as navigation. Stay connected, stay charged. The Toyota Corolla Hybrid offers wireless charging and USB ports throughout its cabin, keeping you powered up and connected wherever you go. Press the start button and Toyota's legendary, award-winning self-charging hybrid system comes alive. With Toyota's self-charging batteries, there is no need to plug in or stop, as the Corolla takes care of the charging effortlessly. The Corolla Hybrid is good news for your spending, as it ensures exceptional fuel economy, low maintenance costs, and a great resale value. That doesn't mean that you have to cut down on the fun. The Corolla's low center of gravity and muscular stance gives it excellent handling and stability, making the driving experience even more rewarding. Built on the modern TNGA platform, the car's inherent strength means it has a rigid body structure. These factors come together to give exceptional handling and confidence-inspiring stability. With power and precision, the Corolla Hybrid makes every drive more enjoyable. Visit our showrooms at Riche and Bagatelle. Call us at Riche on 405-6400, Bagatelle 460-5200, or WhatsApp us on 5251-6400. And don't forget, you can also follow us on our social media platforms.